that. Firstly, I want to lose all the fat I gained in the 1 year at CMU. So I'm gonna go for dance classes. And if it wasn't for chanting, then I would be just like sitting around the house and not caring about how I look or anything. But when I sit in front of the Gohanzon, which is not materialistic in any which way, it's not a laptop, it's not a TV, it's just something that I'm looking at and reflecting on my goals, I realize that this is what I need to do and I need to come back on track. So I feel like this is something that's really forced me to like be where I am right now and most importantly, keep me focused in that.
Go.
Buddhism is Lotus Sutra. Its president is Dai Sakura and Buddhism is basically for
First is eye-to-eye context. Audience.
giving wisdom to what you want to achieve, and if you pray regularly, you can achieve. Thank you. Bye bye.
Where do you go? Hey, take the applause.
It's okay. It's okay.
And you say what are your views? That's all.
So, Bua, how are you?
I'm very fine.
How are the applicants doing?
They're doing very good.
After that, Sabu, you have to demotivate yourself.
Your time starts now.
Buddhism is something which really helps you to, it's like just a part of your life, as Shadi said. And like when you when you practice it every day, it actually becomes your habit, and then that's a good habit which you achieve. And then like by practicing that, you get focused to what you have to do in life. And it's rightly said by Sensei that like when you forget what your goal is, redetermine that very moment so that you can actually practice what towards your goal. And
That's alright.
It's okay.
I got the candy.
That's alright. You can throw the candy and take another.
I got it.
Oh.
What?
And then
My bad, sorry. It's recording.
towards the Gonzon.
क्या है?
Gonzon.
क्या किया उसने?
She wants that a part of her presentation.
That's the Gonzon, and you put it in a Putsudan, and there's a bell which when you ring, the positive vibrations actually go through your environment, and it spreads all over your life, and it just makes a good impression.
Very good.
Wow, that was too good.
Okay.
बेसिक तो आप जानते हो ना?
ये सुशी.
नहीं इसको
साबिका, do you?
मैं बात करूं कॉन्जॉन के बारे
तेरा
में
लास्ट में चॉकलेट की कोई लिमिट नहीं है टाइम की। फिर किसी को बोलने के लिए नहीं मिलेगा।
Buddhism is something which I tried for a week when I came on holiday to India 2 years ago. But I actually never tried it for a long period of time, so I actually don't know anything about Buddhism. I know the basics about what I see Shali and Tanya and everyone chant and stuff, but I don't know anything in detail. I don't know if I'm motivated enough to actually start chanting, and I don't know if I can actually make it happen for it to be part of my life, but I can always try, which I've never tried. But yeah, I would like to try, and I would like to start chanting and try and make it part of my life.
Very good. Honest opinion. Very good.
But when you chanted for 1 week when you came last time, did you saw any difference in your life?
No, because I don't think 1 week
You
is
want to
long
be
enough.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, to make it.
You're too early.
But if you're that determined, it can actually create a.
Let somebody ask you questions.
हम फोर शाखा को बना रहे हैं, मोटिवेट करके कुमार
Don't go, just speak and don't go and
Daddy,
sit in
you
your
are
place.
very
Till we
calm.
ask you questions and
Okay.
we really.
एक सेकंड है।
चक्षु तू हमारी भी ले रहा है ना, हम लिसनर हैं।
Yeah.
पता तो चले सागो किसको सुना रही है।
दे रहा.
अपने आप को.
और
Hi, Chachu.
आ जाएगी आ जाएगी
चक्षु,
ले रहा है वो ले रहा है ऐसे भी ले रहा है
चक्षु
ऐसे भी ले रहा है
बेटे सामने जाके भी इस सर्कल में लेना
ये अभी आ रही है ले ले पहले
आगे तूने तानिया को पुट
I'm watching it. Huh? Go.
चक्षु
Okay. Buddhism, I've heard a lot about
Yes,
it.
it's called Devada.
I've heard about Buddhism in London as well. It seems interesting, and like Krishna said, we have tried it for a week, and don't walk around in circles down there.
He is taking profit.
Yeah, I don't want it to be a track towards my goal. I don't want it to drag me towards my goal. I want to work for it. But I think Buddhism is a sort of calmness you can get in. You can be reserved and really calm when you're chanting. It's like saying bhajans as well. When you say bhajans, it's the same feeling I got when I was chanting. It's like a repeated sort of mantra kind of thing, which you repeat and get the relaxation inside your body, and that's all I felt. I didn't see some sort of magic or superpower happening, because I feel that power is inside me and not in some sort of Buddhism or Hinduism or anything else. So it's something that would help me to feel the power inside, but I don't think that's the power to drive me towards my goal. So I don't know, I might try it or I might not. So.
What you said just now, no power inside, that is goes on.
No,
Yeah.
no. As
could
in,
be anything.
no. Okay.
So as a contact.
पीछे जाओ चाची भी देखे पीछे जाओ
नहीं ठीक है
हाँ बस
हम कर रहे हो
Okay,
हैव अ सीट तुम इतनी देर कैसे
so
करोगे?
basically,
ये दो सीटें हैं।
even Chachi is a better judge. No, we're not having a discussion.
Sit on
Two
that.
hours teachers done.
बिट्टू यार 2 मिनट टाइम देते हैं डिस्कशन नहीं है लिमिट है टाइम की
If you want to see like that.
Okay. So basically, when Sagu says that I believe the power is in me, that's the most right attitude you're supposed to have in life, and that's exactly what Buddhism taught us. The first time I met my Buddhism mentor, she exactly told me the same thing. She's like, don't look at the Gohonzon as if it's some statue you're supposed to pray towards. It's more like the Gohonzon is you. When Daisaku, who made the Gohonzon? Nichiren Daishonin, when he made the Gohonzon, he put in all the powers people have within them into the Gohonzon. So it's not, Namyo Rengekyo is written on the Gohonzon. It's not a statue. Why don't we take a Buddha statue and put it in front of us and pray to that? No, because we don't believe that the statue is our God. Our God, our power is within us. And by chanting, by remembering our goals when we're chanting, we're bringing out that power. So, and I feel like the one week which Keshu Sahu did get to chant over here in Bombay last time will not like help reflect on anything regarding Buddhism, because you really feel the power of chanting when you're in a period of struggle, when you're studying, not when you're on a summer vacation. Even right now, everything's easy for me. I have no stress whatsoever. But when I go over there, even Ritu keeps telling me this, that yes, you have your parents, you have your siblings to give you support, but when you know that the Gohonzon is there in your room at college, you cannot be feared. You cannot. Like, when my exams got over, I got really worried that I didn't do well in this one exam. I started crying. I called Ritu, I called Dad, I called everyone. Ritu was like, Shai, this is not the way, you're not supposed to cry. You're not supposed to go and call everyone and tell them that you did bad and you won't do well. Sit and chant. And that's exactly what I did. Everyone was having fun because exams were over, but I was upset about my exams, so I sat and chanted in my room for half an hour at least. Turns out I got an A. It was fine, perfectly. It's mainly that the Gohonzon really helps bring out the inner power in you, because it works with your brain, your soul, everything. It brings everything together to make a very powerful you, not anything else, just you.
Kavita,
Can I ask something?
you should
हाँ,
work
एक
at least on this 2 minutes
Right, no, right.
बैठ के भी बोल सकती है
I'm adding something.
okay you are doing
Yeah, adding,
Is that-
adding.
Adding.
good
So like the inner power
आज हमने
inside
हुआ
you,
साबु कैशु कुमार को लेके ही छोड़ना
the inner power inside you is only to the Buddhism is only to actually tap the power of you, and like it's actually not a magic or a miracle which happens. It's through your changes which you change something within you, and then automatically the environment changes.
Exactly.
Who wants a muffin?
रीवा कविता तू 2 मिनट बोल ले मेरे को बोल
I want muffin.
Me too if you can hear.
चाची चाची का बैठ
Okay, बोलने के बाद मेरे कान
Big clap for चाची please.
Everyone is talking about the. I don't want to say it.
That's very
Gohan zone is not a object or anything. It is your reflection. It exactly shows you what you are. When you are sad, you will feel that sad.
Daddy,
But when you chant, that will change.
Daddy.
The Gohan zone will change you, and it will become the power. Like you become
No, I
happy.
won't take it.
You're moving on to that. Such a nice moment. And
Daddy.
now, if you talk about Buddhism, it's 24/7. You keep on changing yourself. The environment changes.
हाथ
So,
को
Tanya said.
straight एकदम.
So Gohan zone is
No
really
shivering hands.
what you are. So when you feel that Gohan zone wants the power to give you,
100%
you give the power to God. It's the real reflection. It's a mirror. So that it's exactly you can chant
साधु उसके
somewhere
बाद में मेरी बात का जवाब दिया था मामी
put the
ने
nice
कि
one
जो
for
आप
the
कहते हैं ना
body.
मैजिक फील नहीं किया वो आप तब फील करोगे
No, I said magic feel
and
नहीं
you
होता.
don't chant just because
तू क्या बोल रही है?
get you the magic has to be changed.
It's coming.
You chant
क्या बोल रही
for when you chant, it's like you
ये चैंटिंग
feel the
I
environment
know you like the
changing,
muffins. Take a picture.
and then
properly.
you will see the change. When you're chanting, it's not
No,
like
no.
you
Let
chant
me hold this sometime.
and see that I have to chant because I
Okay,
want
Rakesh, 1 second.
admission in some university. I want to chant for this. I want to chant for that. It's not going to happen. You chant
Daddy.
and the cause and effect. You do something.
नहीं तो अच्छा लग रहा है एकदम रानी लक्ष्मी
Now the
प्लीज ये सब फोटो हमें भी भेजना
अरे वो पूरी सीडी बना के
फेसबुक पे जाओ टैग मिल जाएगा आपको भेजना मत बोलना हैं? अब साबुन सीढ़ी तो बनवा के मैं थक गई
now the ritual of Raksha Bandhan is in progress. Brothers are waiting for the sisters for seeking protection
रक्षाबंधन
and tying
All
the
of them matching except that.
golden knot.
सब लोग हाथ
So that's blowing your.
This time
टेबल पे रख
I
दीजिए
am also wearing white.
the modern Raksha Bandhan has now been replaced with the cake rather than the mithai.
क्योंकि
केक पे वेजिटेरियन मार्क है
Vegetarian mark and some pineapple
टेस्टी
Tasty.
अनानास चाचू के साथ काट
with
नहीं
this.
मैं
साथ साथ में सब हाथ पकड़ के काट लो ना चलो हैप्पी
Here
रक्षाबंधन
we have
दूसरों को तो
some
बुला लो हमारी कितनी रक्षा कर रहे हैं ये लगता है
बाबी से तो उससे घुमाते हैं। चलो
Raksha Bandhan
अभी आ
is
जाओ आ
ये
जाओ
रीवा
बेटा
का है।
आ जाओ। चलो अभी काट लो और 3-4 पीस काट लो
अभी
बच्चों
नहीं
को
लगाएगी तो फिर खाएंगे
चम्मच लिया
हाँ तुम
हाँ,
लोग
जो
बच्चे
आ
लोग
जाओ,
अपना काट लेना
बिट्टू के लिए
oh no my phone please.
छोड़ रहा ना
अरे किसका देखो कि
आज
ऐसा नहीं करते पहले बच्चे मांगे फिर रीवा मांगे
पहले बच्चे
मैं बांधी थी लेकिन मम फिर ये लो कैमरा लो
मैं को भी पूजा को राखी बांधनी
पहले
है.
रीवा
I
मांगे
can do it. I can do it.
मम मेरी कौन सी राखी है
मामा बोलो
Take the one with
Mama, this
5
dupatta is so heavy.
भाभी जी ये लो
बैठो मामा गाने गाओ मेरी कौन सी राखी है
हैं
I got that
इनमें से कोई भी ले
गार्गी तू ये क्लिप लगा तियारा
मामा बोलो मामा बोली छटिया बोलो बोलो बोली छटिया
yeah he all on the landline
बोली छटिया केना
दूर चली जाती
मूली छटिया किरना
राखी बांधी है तो भैया
तू भी रखी देखा चक्षु को याद है
सूरज चढ़ना छड़िया भी भाई का दिता
Tie knot, tie knot.
राखी बांधेगी तो भी राजी
खोल हो गया
ये काट देना बाद में। अकाल गया
नहीं भाभी भी लेना पड़ रहा है ना उनको।
अभी फिर
हमें कितना कैमरा घुमा घुमा के आपका बर्थडे पे पड़ती है।
हमने तो आपकी शादी पे वीडियो वाला बुलाया था और आप हमारी राखी पे मूवी नहीं बनाते हो।
ये काइशू गेम पास। ये देखो 2 चम्मच पड़े हैं, 2 चम्मच से खाओ। You know, काइशू is from
पहले सिर्फ 1100
मिलेंगे राखी बांधने से पहले सेटलमेंट कर।
शैली
मेरे को
दो बांधने दो सेट
हाँ exactly.
डबल करना
शैली आज से आप ऑपोजिट करेगी वो बोलेगी कि मैं अपने भाई की रक्षा करूँ
शैली साथ में
शैली सुना
सुना but I'm not acknowledging it.